Have a happy morning, students. This is me, your teacher Neha Kheradia, and our today's topic is indefinite pronouns. Fine. Before we are going to start this indefinite pronoun, let's summarize everything. Fine. Pronoun. What do you mean by pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of noun. First one, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns means a pronoun which stands for a person or a thing is called personal pronoun. Second one, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun means an interrogative pronoun is used to ask a question. Third one, demonstrative pronouns. A demonstrative pronoun is used to point out the object or objects to which it refers. Fine. Yesterday we have seen possessive pronouns. A pronoun that shows possession is called possessive pronoun. Fine. And today's our topic is indefinite pronouns. Fifth one, indefinite pronouns. So indefinite pronouns are those pronouns which refer to persons or things in a general way. They do not refer to any particular person or thing. Clear? It refers to persons or things in a general way. Fine? Okay. Read the sentences given below. First, some are born great. Fine? Okay. So, some, indefinite pronoun. Fine? Next example. There is a party at our place on Saturday night and everybody is welcome. There is a party at our place on Saturday night and everybody is welcome. So, here everybody is indefinite pronoun. Why? Because we are referring to every single person. Okay? Fine? Everybody means all the people, every single body or every single person. Fine? So the pronoun is singular. So you have to use singular verb here. Clear? Let me read next one. No one knows the answer to that question. No one knows the answer to that question. So no one. No one. Here we are talking about no one. Fine? Okay? Next sentence. Neither of the two teams was able to score goal. Neither of the two teams was able to score a goal. So, neither means not either. Fine. Neither is singular. Fine. Therefore, we have to use singular verb. Clear? Okay. Next sentence. One of my friends is a doctor. One of my friends is a doctor. So, one, indefinite pronoun. Okay? Fine? Because we are talking about my one friend. Okay? I am not talking about all of my friends. Fine? Okay? And here subject is one. Fine? Okay? So verb also singular. Okay? Okay. I have mentioned some of the indefinite pronouns. Here, anybody, everybody, somebody, nobody, each, either, neither. Fine, nothing, something. With all these pronouns, we have to use singular verb. Clear? Okay. Let us discuss some more important points about this indefinite pronouns. Are you ready? Fine. Okay. My first point is we use the indefinite pronouns ending in one or body to talk about people. Fine. Okay. Let me give you some example. Book. So here somebody. So I'm talking about some person. Clear? Okay. Next, someone is at the gate. So someone is at the gate. Someone. So I'm talking about some person. Clear? Okay. Fine. Okay. Next important thing, we use the indefinite pronouns ending in thing to talk about things. Like there is nothing in this box. It is empty. There is nothing in this box. It is empty. Nothing means no single thing. Clear? Nothing means no single thing. Fine? And there is something on the roof. Something. Something or some object is on the roof. Clear? Okay. We can use else after indefinite pronouns. Okay? We can use else after indefinite pronouns. Like ask somebody else to help you. Fine. Ask somebody else to help you. Or have you anything else to do? Have you anything else to do? Okay. Fine. Next important thing, that is we can use an adjective after indefinite pronouns. We can use an adjective after indefinite pronouns. Like, there is nothing wrong in asking. I am always saying, there is nothing wrong in asking. Fine. So nothing, indefinite pronoun. Fine. So use an adjective after indefinite pronoun. Okay. And we can also add apostrophe s to indefinite pronouns referring to people. Like, it is impossible to remember everybody's name. Right? It is impossible to remember everybody apostrophe s. Okay? Fine. And last important point, that is all indefinite pronouns are written as one word. Fine? Can you observe this thing? Like anybody, somebody, anything, nothing. Fine? But no one is written as two words. Do you know why? No one is written as two words. Do you know why? No one is written as two words for the convenience of pronunciation only. Fine? Okay? If you write no one as one word, then it will become, then we will have to pronounce it as noon. N-O-O-N, which sounds awkward. Right? So, in order to avoid this awkwardness, we write no space one as two words. Clear? Okay. Let's summarize. All of you are ready? Fine. Indefinite pronouns are those pronouns which refer to persons or things in a general way. They do not refer to any particular thing or person. Fine. Like somebody, anybody, nothing, everything, several, both, each, either, neither. Fine. Okay. When we talk about some people, then we can write down somebody or someone. And for thing, nothing, something. Fine. Okay. Clear? Okay, fine. I wish you understood this lecture properly. Fine. Bye. Have a nice day, bacha. Bye-bye.